In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Creality Cloud. First, open the Creality Cloud website or the mobile app. You can do this by typing the web address into your browser or tapping the app icon on your device. Once the site or app loads, you will see the main interface of Creality Cloud. This is where all the exciting features and functionalities reside. It's important to have this step completed to ensure you are accessing the right platform. For mobile users, ensure you have the latest version of the app for optimal performance. Next, tap or click Login. This action will direct you to the login page, which is designed for ease of use. Here you have the option to sign in using either your email address or your phone number. This flexibility is great because it allows you to choose the method that works best for you. Whether you're a mobile user or working from a computer, the login page provides a clear entry point to access your account. Now enter your email address or phone number and your password. Make sure that the information you input is accurate. Typos can lead to login issues, which can be frustrating. If you're using your email, make sure to check for any extra spaces. This step is crucial because entering the correct credentials will allow you to access your account without any hiccups. Take a moment to double-check the details you entered before proceeding. Click Login to access your account. After you click this button, the system will process your information. If everything checks out, you will be directed to your dashboard. This is where you can manage your projects and interact with the Creality community. Knowing that you've logged in successfully is a relief, especially after ensuring all your details were correct. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to open the registration page. You can find this link on the login page, typically labeled as Sign Up or Create Account. This step is essential for those who are new to Creality Cloud and want to enjoy its features. After you click the link, you will be taken to a form designed for new users. Enter your email address on the registration form. It's important to use a valid email that you can access. This is because Creality Cloud will send you a verification code to ensure that the email belongs to you. This verification step helps keep your account secure and prevents unauthorized access. Next, request a verification code. You will receive this code in your email inbox. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Entering this code is a critical part of the registration process. It verifies your identity and helps set up your account securely. Create a password and finish signing up. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is important to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you complete the form, you can click the final button to submit your information and create your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. On the login screen, click Forgot Password. This will lead you through the process of recovering your account. It's a common issue and the process is straightforward. Enter your username or email address and then complete the verification steps. This usually involves receiving a code in your email or phone. After verifying your identity, you will be able to choose a new password. This step ensures that you can regain access to your account securely. Finally, click Submit. This action will finalize your password reset. Now you can log in with your new password. If you're using Creality Print on your computer and signed up with Google, be aware that you may need to set a regular password through the Creality Cloud website before you can log in from the desktop software. Some users have reported that this resolves login issues. Following these steps will ensure a smooth experience with Creality Cloud.